Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Oh no, poor Humpty fell down low. But we can help him try again with a smile and a little grin. Humpty Dumpty learned that day, be careful where you sit and play. Now he's laughing, feeling fine, dancing on the wall in time. Oh yeah, oh